So we're down here in Greenwich in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. A really big project, this one. So what we're going to be doing on this project is removing all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Yeah, real big project, this one. So stripping all of the paint back, getting it all off, brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We'll be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks. We're going to be tuck pointing when the customer's not too sure what style of repointing to go for yet, but we'll definitely be tuck pointing all of the arches on the front of the property. We're doing loads of samples on all of their brickwork, see what finish the customer would like to go for. Decorating all of the stonework, restoration to all of the stonework. Going to be a real big job, this one. See how well this paint comes off, see what brick we're working with underneath. We're not quite too sure if it's a gaunt or stocks at the moment, but we'll have a little look at all of that in the next few hours once we get paint stripping. Just show you upstairs. Also looking at doing possibly the sides and the back of this house as well for the customer. Doing a complete renovation on the project. So yeah, real big job. Going to keep us going for a while, this project. Got lots of tradesmen on site doing loads of stuff internally. So yeah, getting all of this loose flaky paint off. As you can see, it's all the old mortar's coming away now. So strip all of that, clean it all, repoint it all with a nice breathable line mortar. Decoration to all of the stonework, quite a few repairs and stuff to do. Beautiful views of London all across here, stunning place. Going to look really nice when it's all finished. Like I say, all of this stonework can all be stripped back, restored and decorated. Get all the loose flaky paint off everything. Any cracks, we've got quite a bit of cracking going through certain areas, but a bit of helibar and stitch all of that in. But yeah, real big project to get underway. Customers really excited that we're finally here. Can't wait to see the transformation that we're going to do for them. So yeah, this is going to keep us going for a good few weeks now, just on the paint stripping and the cleaning alone, and then we'll get all of the samples done for the customer, see what finish they'd like to go for, and then we'll show you some more progress in the next week or so. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So this is just a little update video of our Greenwich project we're currently working on. So what we've done so far is removed all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the front of the property, brick cleaned all of the brickwork with a doff machine, and some very heavy soiling, lots of water damage to the brickwork in areas here. As you can see, lots of really heavy soiling, lots of black still on the brick. Unfortunately, the doff machine can only do what it can do. So the customer's got the option now of having a deeper clean on all the brickwork, which I think the customer would like to go for. So started raking out all of the mortar yesterday, so done well over the last couple of days, cutting out all of the cement mortar, real hard cut out this one in areas, solid cement everywhere as usual. Just show you upstairs as well. So in areas the brickwork's come up really well, in other areas just can't get rid of this soiling. So I think the customer's going to go for that deeper clean on here. And then talking about tuck pointing the whole front of this building, which is going to take a very, very long time, but customer gets what the customer wants. So we're going to do some samples for the customer in the next couple of days, show them all the different colour ribbons, what they could have, etc. And then the customer will make a decision in the next few days what they're going to go for. Same at the top elevation as well. A lot of loose brickwork on this parapet. I have to take some of this down and rebuild this in sections. Then it's all got to be decorated. All of this stonework, it's all got to be rubbed back and decorated as well. Customer's going to have the new windows put in, so we'll wait to do any work around the windows, get them new windows in, and we can fill all around the windows so it's all uniformed in our mortar. But so far so good. The customer's really happy with the progress we've made here in the last couple of weeks, and hopefully have some more videos to show you next week once the samples are done and customers decided what they're going for, and then we can get cracking with the pointing itself. So if you would like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Greenwich in southeast London. This is just an update video of our project we've been working on for around about the last 3 weeks. So what we've been doing is removing all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Once all of the paint was removed, we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Cut out and replaced around 120 bricks so far on the front of this property. Repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar. Customer's gone for a flush finish on the bulk of the brickwork, and then a tuck pointing style on all of the archwork. All of the decoration work has got to be done next, so I'm going to have to scrape back a lot of this paint. It's all blistered and completely bubbled away, so it can't be painted directly straight over that. So we've just done a bit of investigation work on the stonework today, and it's in real bad condition, so I'm going to have to do a lot of restoration work to the stonework before we can think about doing any decoration work. Again, areas of deterioration on all of the stonework is going to need all looking at. Some repairs to do on the stonework in areas as well, but lads have been tuck pointing the arches today and they've come up fantastic as always. Really sets off everything well now. Upstairs, same sort of thing. Again, all of the arches beautifully tuck pointed. Customer's going to have all new sash windows put in, so we'll wait for the windows to come in and do all the collar joints all around the windows, and then decorations, all the cornice, all the parapet work as well. But overall, everything's coming out really, really well. The property was suffering from so much damp. Paint had been over the facade for around about 50 years. So you can see how damp in areas the pointing still is. You see it drying out in a few areas now. Lime's doing its job, drawing all the moisture out of the brickwork. And then up on the top elevation, same thing with the stonework. It's all going to need all this flaky paint. It's really badly blistered in areas, so this has all got to come off before we can do any decoration work. So all of this is going to come off, and it's all going to need to be restored and stabilised. Same up on the top, on the parapet, on the balcony. Again, just looking at it here, all the stonework's in real bad condition, so all of that all going to have to be all scraped off, all filled, stabilised, and then decorated. Need chamfered fillet to go on in a few areas. So there's still quite a lot of work to do here, should I say. Loads to be getting on with still, but overall job's coming out well. Customers really happy with how everything's gone, as always. I'll leave the lads here now. We're off to another job tomorrow. Going to leave the lads here finishing the last bit of flush pointing and tuck pointing. Then we'll get the decorators in to start the decoration work. We are currently looking for more decorators to come on board. So if you're a decorator yourself, or you know any decorators looking for work, exterior work, you've got to have experience with exterior work, filling and making good, get in contact and we'll have a chat to you. But overall, looking forward to getting this one wrapped up in the next, I'd say probably around about 3 to 4 weeks now. There's a lot of decoration work to do here. I'm going to be doing some new lead work inside the bays there as well. New downpipes and gutters to go on. Customer wants us also to do new front steps as well. So looking at doing new coping stones, new step, tiling all of this area here. Got to do some brickwork over to this side for a new gas box to go on the wall here. So we've got to brick up a section of brickwork up here for a new gas box to go, electric box to go on there. Basements are absolutely saturated, so damp under there. Repointed all of that this morning, still soaking wet at this time of the day. But yeah, so far so good. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Greenwich in South East London. This is an update video of our restoration project we're currently working on. So what we've done on this project is brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Customer repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar. Wanted to go for a flush finish with a combination of tuck pointing on all of the archwork throughout. Just look at that already, looks absolutely amazing. Cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. This project, I don't know if you remember, had paint over the whole building, so we stripped all of the paint off as well. Lots of damp still in areas on the brickwork, as you can see, it's starting to dry out in areas now, but the tuck pointing really sets it off. Decoration to all of the stonework as well. Customers having the sash windows refurb, so keeping the original boxes in. So what we've got to do now is, once they're in, is come back and fill in all of the collar joints to match. Customers really happy with how this project's come out. It looks beautiful in person. Once all the building work's done here, new downpipes have got to go on. I think they're doing more work to the roof. The whole inside's being done, so loads of tradesmen on site here still. It's come out beautiful, really nice, clean, tidy project, all decorated, all the masonry restored and decorated. Then what we're going to be doing once the scaffold's down is some work to the front of the property. So I'll show you what we'll be doing downstairs. But the natural lime in areas now where it has dried out, dried out a really nice colour, really well. Like I say, all the down pipes and all that will be done by the roofers when they come back to do all the guttering work. And downstairs, customer wants some steps designed, so I'll show you what we're going to do downstairs. As you can see, tuck point and all the arches, all in around the front door area. I think they're having a new door put in. All the tuck work up on the arch there. So we're taking these steps up, getting nice new coping stones with some pillars and some railings to match throughout there, and are completely changing this front entrance for them as well. And then, like I say, just waiting for the timber guys to finish the woodwork, and then we just come back and fill in the collar joints and get the scaffolding down and start phase 2 on the next part of the project. So yeah, just stand back and you can see in its formal glory now. Looks absolutely stunning. So customers are really happy with this. If you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thanks very much.